What is a training certificate, and how to design a training certificate? What is a training certificate? The training certificate is an official document that is issued for the people who have completed a due training session. The training is compulsory at organizations that are looking to develop their human resources. But it is very much optional for individuals of a society. The training for the sake of learning is always beneficial, though, and that's why individuals are subjected to certain sorts of training sessions. The training certificates are then issued to mark the success of an individual who has completed a specific training session. The training certificate marks that an individual has attended the course and is eligible for a certain job. The performance is mentioned in the certificate in the form of a specific grade. Certain grading procedures are used to cover the performance of people attending a training session. Some training certificates, examples, and templates can be considered for the proper understanding of this specific stencil. The training certificates can become easy to understand by taking a look at the following ready-made examples. How to design a training certificate. A training certificate is a document that is supposed to cover the training details and the corresponding achievement of an individual who has attended that training. The stencil needs to cover the details of the course, along with offering the grades at the end. It is a kind of document that can cover training sessions in a comprehensive manner. It should, therefore, be designed by keeping its roles in mind. One should be including the course details in the certificate along with offering the training period details at the same time. It needs to offer details about the things to learn during a training session. The certificate must also offer the qualification criterion. Some fine class training certificates examples and templates can be taken into account to carve such a stencil. The ready-to-apply kind of templates can prove productive in the process of the creation of training certificates. The training certificates examples and templates can help one understand the absolute requirements for such a document. The templates will offer the required format and will make it fairly easy to carve multiple certificates in no time. Many scenarios involve the issuance of multiple copies of certificates, and this is where ready-to-apply kind of templates are used to prove handy. One can design a template and can then create multiple copies of certificates for a number of individuals with comfort. It will become easy to design splendid certificates with ready-made templates. A great variety of ready-made training certificates examples are available at this site, and one can get it to create versatile certificates. A few common types of training certificates are described below. Different types of training certificate. Human beings are trained to sharpen their skills in a certain sector. The training course is designed by human resource managers as the development team used to include every vital thing in the training. The training is not only carried out for the people at work but is also done to the freshmen of society. The young individuals of every society are trained in different fields. The technical training is one of the common forms of short-term training, but technical training is not the only sector where people are given the training. There are other fields like hospitality, tourism, and surveillance, where young individuals are trained. The certificates are issued at the time of completion of a course. The training certificates examples and templates can give more ideas about the various types of training certificates that are issued after completion of a training course. Simple Emergency Preparedness Certificate. The human lives are precious, and all the available resources are being utilized to save lives. The resources are, however, insufficient if people are not trained to face serious situations. The young individuals need to be trained for emergency situations. Proper training programs need to be designed to meet the needs of the hour. The emergency preparedness sessions carry the processes forward for people and help them face the challenges in life. The emergency preparedness certificates are usually issued to the people who have attended the training courses. The training certificates examples and templates are applied to create multiple copies of certificates. The ready-made templates enable officials to draft certificates in professional style. People with certification for emergency situations can prove productive for society as well as for the institutions they are work for. They can save lives in critical situations. Professional Dog Training Certificate. There are hundreds of thousands of people around the globe who are used to adopt animals as a pet. The dog is one of the common pets among all the animals that are taken to homes. But it is not the ordinary dog that amuses owners but rather a trained dog. This is why people go for dog training, and trainers are hired on heavy payment. The dog trainers are used to get training to train animals. The dog training sessions end up with the issuance dog training certificate. The training certificates examples and templates are used to carve the copies of the dog training certificate. The trainees are used to acquire skills for dog training during such kind of training sessions. Blank Babysitter Training Certificates. The babysitter training certificates are issued to the trainees getting the babysitter training. Training certificates examples and templates are applied to create certificates for trainees in this regard. The young individuals are trained for babysitter services, and training certificates examples and templates are used for the certification. The course completion is marked with the issuance of a babysitter training completion certificate. The course makes individuals capable of handling the babysitter job in a professional manner. The certification enables an individual to apply for the job. There exists a variety of various certificate examples and templates on this website, and one can download them all in ready-made form.